side there, my friend. But I think they've quieted down. He's working again, Drew. Let's just do the skip just build a little bit more from stateside towards us.
Copy on that. Yeah, these guys are really running some power. Let's see what happens here. Yasamash.
Yeah, that was really loud to me. Creeping up incrementally all the time at the moment, my friend QSL.
QSL, yeah, I'm getting you in and out, but you're still running on them pretty good there, my friend. I tried yelling there. Yasamash, Yasamash. Dobre.
Yeah, I've got a lot of noise on the frequency today, Drew. I don't know whether it's just atmospherics building up. It's just started out, but it's very, very noisy, QSL.
QSL, yeah, you got some serious competition there with these guys. I yelled them there. I think they were quiet for a second there, and must be my bad accent.
Yeah, Roger, yeah, and you're just dropping out on some of the words that you say there, so I'm getting you, Drew, and you, like I say, you got down to about 5 there, so I've got about 3 to 5 of noise on the frequency anyway, so it was just knocking you a little bit on that last thing, but it seems like it's getting...
QSL, yeah, when they're not running, I mean, it's nice and quiet. I have a beautiful audio on you, but unfortunately, when you run 5.7, they do same thing when you run 7.9.
I think we'll cross-modulated a little bit there on that last over, Drew. But yeah, I got a gist of what you were saying there. But as long as we can hear each other, I think that's all that matters right now. If you do weekend, my friend, if the weekend to yourself.
Yeah, I'm trying to pick up on what he's saying, but anyway, yeah, those two stations, but that one station's running power there. My goodness. So yeah, this is a Radioddity. We're running, we're running at 3/4 power, maybe a little more into the 503, and right now I'm running on the Vector to be. No, I am running on the Astroplane. I was just on the Vector.
QSL, Drew, so you're running it through the Vector. Have you bypassed that tuner at the moment, Drew, QSL?
Yeah, QSL, it makes no difference. I did a few other things early this morning, and it's a matter, I don't know, but right now you're getting everything, and it's I'm switching them, and they're in bypass mode, let's say.
Yeah, Roger, yeah, I've got all sorts of static bursts actually, Drew, at the moment. Peaking up in his about 20 time, a little bit of factory now, some whistles, and going off right now at this moment.
Excuse me, friends. Well, QSL, if you got me here, yeah, they're so loud, it's they're competing with us right on the line. So let's take a little break and see if they sort of filter to the side. What is this, number 45? Okay, CQ there, cousin. I'm going to catch you on mess at the hangout there right now, and let's just power down for a moment. Let's see if that passes.
Yeah, you was Drew, you was falling away from me with the skip just dropping a little bit. We'll call it quits on this and wait for the next batch, Drew, and see if it works a little better there, my friend QSL.
QSL, they're starting to fade, but they're still there. Let's just, like you said, let's back it off. Let's give it a little time and see what it brings, eh? Yeah,
Yeah, I've got AM stations also, Drew, that's coming in.
Sorry, guys.
Italians are very strong today throughout, you know, up and down Italy and that. They're really belting in to my location. So a lot of them use Alpha Mic AM, and it can be a little bit daunting, so to speak, over on the SSB when you'll fire up. But they do run some power. Alright, Drew, I'll stand down for now, my friend, and I'll catch you in the chat log, my friend, QSL.
QSL, I'll catch you over the chat. Thanks for the radio test, and we've been running different antennas on you, and yeah, I'm very happy with the radio so far.
Yeah, Roger, Drew. Well, it's working. The radio's definitely working, my friend. So, first contact with you on the Radioddity QT40. So, sounding good. Sounds very HF set, Drew. It's not quite an 11-meter export set, that's for sure. It definitely got that air of HF quality about it. So, I'm not saying that's a bad thing. But it's there anyway. I can hear it in your modulation there, Drew. But we'll let those Italians pipe down a little bit, Drew, and then we'll go again on the next batch, my friend, and I'll catch you in the chat.
Copy on that, cousin. Yeah, and I think I think I know what microphone I could try on this very quickly, a hand mic, and see if that helps us out a little. I'm sure it will.
Well, we can always try different microphones, when the skip gets a little bit stronger. But all said and done, the one that you're operating on right now is working super fine, my friend. So sounding good, about the same quality as you probably would be on the other radios you've been using, Drew. So for a standard microphone, it's working exceptionally well, my friend.
QSL, yeah, I had you there. They went out. Now they're coming back in. Thank you. Most appreciated. Got the video running, and you're coming in very well. So let's catch up on the hangout, and I'm going to be on the side.
Okay, Drew. 7-3 for now, my friend. Cash in the hangout. We'll go shortly on the band. 7-3, my friend.
But anyway, we got to take her out for a drive, and she's running well. I like it a lot. It's easy to operate for sure. We were on 415. I'd have to put my frequency counter on, which I already have one in the line, so I won't be doing that. But I wanted to test it myself right here. I did that last evening. So I have a few frequency counters like all you know. Some of them are expensive, but they're close enough. They work for me. All right, so I catch you on the next run, and there we had a little show of the Radioddity. Yeah, the QT40, and again, this came from Mike Scott, LLC, and I consider it a good deal, and it's running beautiful as far as I'm concerned. It really is there. Maybe a little bit more of a microphone on it, but we'll find out. All right, guys. And by the way, the videos from yesterday, we do have some, but Glen is trying to link them up. So we'll get all this stuff out, as we always do. And I want you all to have a good Saturday and the rest of the weekend. I'll catch you on the radio shortly.
To the station, by 5 and 5, you're 5 and 5. Nice and loud this way.
Copy on that 101. This is New York 202. I have a nice copy on you. Lots of great audio, and you're sounding good, Al, for sure.
Yeah, I've got another station there, too. I'll tell you what, though, lovely audio again today. You on your new radio?
Yes, Al, and I'm happy to say that I'm testing it with you, and also, if you can still have a copy, I mean, I've got that wonderful little sharpshooter microphone Glen gave me for my birthday last year, and I'm running it on it now, testing.
Yeah, I've got him. okay, I'm struggling. It's crazy, very localised propagation today.
Yeah, I've got him signal 9 now, he's coming up really strong to me.
Yeah, let me in there a minute. This is me. I'm running the Sharpshooter Special Dingamadoo microphone right now on the QT40, guys. I got copy on both of you, very loud.
Yeah, Drew, Glen's trying to give you a shout, mate. I don't know if you can hear him.
How about it, 444? I was hearing you.
Yeah, Roger, Drew. I've got you in there, but it's a garbled mess, Drew. I'm not picking stateside up very well at all today. It's just very low in my area, Mr. Drew,
QSL, let me turn my ley line operator on there and give it 2 minutes and we'll get that connection back.
Oh yeah, it's working now, Drew. Yeah, you came up with a skip then, Drew. I got every word of that.
Yeah, well, hold on there. Click. Let me get that switch again. No, right now I'm running the Astroplane, to be honest with you. Let me switch over and... Oops.
So you flicked it from the Astroplane to the Vector then?
Yeah, I'm on the Vector now.
Yeah, I think it's about equal to me today. Just stand by one moment, Drew. Darren, can you hear Drew?
I can hear him, but it's very low to me as well. I'm only picking up 2, 3 and 5.
Yeah, he's fluctuating to me as well, Darren. Drew, listen out for Darren. Radio Tango 03, Darren. Darren's going to give you a call, Drew. Just hang on, Drew. Just listen out for Darren calling in QSL.
QSL, I can hear Darren. 03, Darren, I can hear you. This is Drew.
Yeah, how you doing, Drew? I don't think I contacted you. I can't remember. I'm not very well at the moment, but how you doing, my friend? 202-03 Nottingham. How are you, my friend?
I'm doing well, Darren, and I hope you're doing well. It's great to hear you on the radio, and your signal is there. You have audio, it's steady. You have a 3 to 5, 5 to 7, but you have audio, it's steady. I can hear every word you're saying, my friend.
Big 10-4 on that, Drew. I do 5 and 9 then. 5 and 9, you went up tremendously. I picked the audio up. I've really got on your radio. It sounds really nice, my friend.
Well, thank you, Darren. I appreciate it. You're 5 and 7 now with really great audio. So the skip is playing into you there. And yeah, Cousin Glen, I know he had to put us together there a few times, but the skip was horrendously impossible. But it's nice to hear your voice, and I hope you're back on more often, my friend.
Amen.
Yes, I hope so as well, Drew. You went 5 and 10. 5, 9 plus 10. 5, 9 plus 10 then on your last over. Okay, Drew, I'll stand by. Let you have a chat to Glen there, my friend. You take care and I'll catch you in a bit.
Thank you, Darren. It's always great to talk with you, and if you hear me, give me a yell. Your station's doing very, very well. Very impressive. It's really kicking out there.
Yeah, 5, 9 plus 10 then on your last over as well. It sounds lovely, that radio you've got. Alright, Drew, I'll stand by.
Thank you, Darren. Most appreciated. Any QSKs out there?
Yeah, you did actually come up to me a little bit as well there, Drew, when you was talking to Darren.
Yeah, well, you're in the red there with full modulation. What are you doing there? Oh, I flipped the switch. I told you had to give it 2 minutes.
I didn't do nothing. Don't blame me. It's all your fault, buddy.
Well, it's got to be somebody's fault, you know. I'm just checking the camera to... Oh, yeah, we're recording. Oh, my goodness. Because it's nice and loud today, and what a great day. I'm actually talking on the Vector.
Yeah, you've got mice running around the circle in the stage. I know what you're doing. Hey, anyway, Skip just fell away there, Drew. It's just crazy to me, my friend. You know, I think sometimes, it peaks and it fucking, like, maybe those impacts and then, it's like a lazy QSB. He just drifts in and then he drifts out again. It's not stable, Drew, QSL.
QSL, yeah, but when it does run for a couple, 3-4 minutes, just ran perfectly with Darren and Maddie and you, and just now, I mean, it did. We got about 7 minutes, so I can hear it building in the background, and we'll see. But yeah, hey, it's good so far. This is what are we, 46? Yeah, 46.
Yeah, QSL, Drew. I got most of that with what you were saying there, but it was falling away from me at the moment anyway. I'll patch it through with Mr. Matt over there in the north of Nottinghamshire, and I'll let Matt have the final review on this one there, Drew, and I'll stand down for now, my friend. So 73 to 9, your radio's working well, standing super fine, and I'll hand it over to Matt. Go on, Matt, take it over.
And there goes the skip. That quick, huh? CQDX, Northern New York 202. Just wanted to say that I'm lost the skip. I just heard you, Maddie, and it just waned right off. So I'm going to sit on the side and meet you over the hangout, all you guys. And I've got some video, so everybody's sounding really good. Congratulations. I know everybody's been working on their stations, getting them up and running. So it's always a pleasure talking to great operators who have stations, and it puts some tender loving care in them to make them run.